Welcome to the TailorMate App tutorial video. In this video, we are going to learn how to add a dress item to an existing order. Click on the order to go to Order Details. On the Order Details page, click the plus button onto top to add a new dress item. At first, you have to select the new dress item you want to add. On the next screen, add all the details of the item like measurement, price, delivery date, etc. When completed, click the Save Item button. If you want to add more items, do the same steps again. When completed with all dress items, click Finish Order. Your order will be saved and listed in Orders screen. Thank you for watching our tutorial video. If you have any questions about TailorMate app, please call us or WhatsApp on the number given here.